Kia ora te whānau, no mai hoki mai. Now, it's not very often that a project comes along that is innovating, that is disrupting, and has the timing as well. And if you haven't seen any of my other videos about DataBank.me, you can check out that one there, and that's only around 5 minutes long, but it's of the CEO breaking down the vision of this project and what they want to achieve, and they're moving very fast. Now, this is developing at light speed, so everything is coming together. It's looking incredible. And this is just going to be a quick video on how to get started. So the first thing that you'll need to do is you'll need to use the link in the description. Okay, if you're on desktop. If you're on mobile, you can scan one of these QR codes and that'll take you directly to this page. Okay, and on this page, you can see here that I've already pre-filled this. So all you need to do is put your name, your email, and in here, just put Better Humans. And what this will do is if you put in Better Humans in this code here, it'll allow you to see part of the back office that you wouldn't normally be able to see. Okay, so it's important. And this is an opportunity that could arise for, depends on what sort of type of person you are with this project. But if you're prepared to do some work, this might actually help you. Okay, so once you've got all that information in there, just click on Enroll. And then what will happen is there will be a email sent, okay, and you just need to activate the account. All right, so I'm just going to cross that out, and then I'll just bring up the email here. And you can see here it's already come through right here. Okay, you can see here it says welcome, and it's got some information here, and the one before right here is the activate account. So you've already got 2 emails. The one thing about this project is the communication is incredible. It's fast, it's efficient, and all the information is provided that you need. Now, if you don't know about this project and you haven't watched any of the videos, I advise you to join our Discord channel, because I post updates about everything to do with this project. All the information is there, video tutorials, updates, everything. Okay, so, and my motto is no question is a silly question. So if you're new to crypto, totally new, we welcome you to the Discord channel and we'll help you out. Now, in order to, if you've never used Discord before, it is basically a community-based server that you can provide information to all your community members. Okay, so if you haven't ever used it, you go to discord.com, okay, and then you can install that on your phone and on your desktop. And then once you've installed it, then you'll look for the link in my description, and that is an invitation code to actually join the Discord channel, and that's free. Okay, and like I said, we welcome new users to crypto because we'll help you out. All right, no question is a silly question. All right, so you can see here in the email, I've got activate account. Okay, so I'm just actually going to copy that link address and then come down to this browser here. Okay, and then I'm just going to paste that in here. Okay, and the first thing you'll see is it's going to ask for a password. So make sure, it's very important that you create a really good password, because what happens is when you create this account, you will get you'll get an actual wallet, a cryptocurrency wallet within your account. And the way that the private keys are encrypted, it's with your password. All right, so it's better to have a very long password, something that's got, a mixture of, could be a sentence, I've used ones where, for example, I will take the dog for a walk and have like 2023 at the front and your birth date at the back or whatever. Just make it a really good password. For the purposes of this video though, I'm just going to make it a simple one in here. And you can actually see that you need at least, a number, a capital letter, lowercase letter, password's got to match, okay? But I would advise, make this a really complicated password, write it down somewhere. Obviously, you're going to have to store it somewhere, offline, obviously. But remember, it encrypts the private key for your wallet, okay? Which you'll have access to in your data vault, all right? So create an account, right. Okay, now it'll ask you to log in, so you'll log in with your email that you used. Okay, log in. Okay, I'll save that one for there. Okay, so validate your profile. So the first thing you need to do is create a PIN. Now this PIN will be used whenever you make transactions from your wallet or you do anything that requires, you know, sensitive information. Okay, so create a PIN. All right, I'm just going to put in a basic one here. Just put in that. I'll change. You can change this later. Okay. All right, then save. Okay, and then what you can do, you're done. All right, and then what you can do now. This project, let me just pull this down. But this project is, you know, based on subscriptions. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to purchase a subscription. Now, like I said, I advise you to join the Discord channel and watch more of the videos about this project because it is a killer project. This is a long-term play, and you're in ground floor. This is something that's incredible. It basically, what it does is it you accumulate your data by doing certain things into a vault. You build that vault with data and you'll be able to actually sell that data in the future. Whatever data you want, you can stipulate what data to companies by minting NFTs. Okay, so you literally are taking control of your own data. Google, because what do you do now? When you go and search, when you do anything online, they take your data, they don't pay you for it. This is disrupting that whole model. Okay, and you'll be able to monetize your own data. But at the same, building this project along the way, you've got other opportunities to make income as well. Okay, and make really good money as well. Not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. If you need financial advice, consult a professional. Okay, so up here in the menu, now that we've created the account, this is how I'm going to show you how to get started. And I'm just going to show you with a small package. Okay, but this is the way you do it. The first thing you do need is you need the token BNB. Okay, now I've just got MetaMask here, and if you're totally new to crypto, what you'll need to get is the token BNB. Now, if you're outside the US, any exchange that you can actually purchase crypto on will give you BNB if you're outside the US. And if it doesn't, you can actually purchase it within this wallet here is called MetaMask. And the way that you get it is you go to metamask.io. Okay, and then you can install that. I have other videos on that, but like I said, if you're totally new to crypto and you don't understand this part of it, you're better off to join the Discord channel and then I can walk you through it. I'll leave a link in the description also for a Zoom. So if you want to have a Zoom and you want to walk through on all this, you can book a Zoom. I don't charge anything for anything. Okay, everything's free. All right, I just want to help people get involved in projects that is actually going to do them some and build generational wealth long term. Okay, because I've done pretty well for myself, and now it's time to, you know, give back as much as I can to people. Okay, so this uses BNB. Okay, so this is how you get into this project with BNB. Okay, so as you can see, I have $89 worth of BNB in this. So BNB is on the Binance Smart Chain, if you didn't know, and you can actually activate all that within MetaMask. But if you're on an exchange and you've purchased BNB, when you send BNB to your wallet in DataBank, it has to be on the Binance Smart Chain, and it's BEP20, BSC Binance Smart Chain, not BEP2, BEP20. Okay, so just so you understand that part of it. So I'm going to come up to the menu, okay, and I'm going to come to products. All right, and you can see under all these are all the different subscriptions. All right, and I'm not going to go through what they all do in this video. This is more about just how to get started. Come to the Discord and you'll learn more about it, or watch another video, okay, that I've got on my channel. But for now, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to get this one here, the Member Plus, just to show you how this is done. All right, if you actually get this one, the Prime Plus, this is the first one where you can take advantage of just about everything that's on the platform. Okay, so that's like the sweet spot right there. But for this video, I'm just going to purchase this one to show you the process. Okay, so I'm going to click on Member Plus. I'm going to click on Purchase. Now what will happen is it will give me an error. Okay, I'm going to have to put my PIN in that I set up. Okay, continue. Now it's going to give me an error because, see up here, you don't have enough BNB to pay. So I need to put some BNB in my wallet that I have in DataBank, which I haven't showed you yet. Okay, so if we come back up here to the menu, and we click on My Wallet, click on here, just close that. This is the wallet, and this is just like any traditional decentralized wallet, okay? So you can send and you can receive, and these are the three currencies. This one here is the native token, which is a utility token for this project, okay? But for right now, what we need is the BNB. We need this. So we need to deposit some BNB into this wallet, okay? And so I have BNB in my MetaMask. You could have it on an exchange, all right? And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to send from my MetaMask, or in your case, it could be from an exchange, to this wallet, okay? And the way that you do that is every wallet, if you didn't know, has an address. In MetaMask, you can see I've got an address right here, okay? And in this wallet, it's got an address. You need an address to send crypto to, all right? So to get the address, you can click on Receive. If you click on Receive, it'll bring up this box, and you just can copy the address. This is your address for your DataBank wallet, okay? So you can copy that. You can see up here, wallet address saved to clipboard, okay? I'll close that. Or you can click on Receive address right here, and that will actually copy it to clipboard as well. So either, okay? And then what we need to do is we need to come to either an exchange where your BNB is, or any wallet that you have BNB in, okay? And we need to click on Send, and we need to paste in our DataBank wallet address that we just got from down here, okay? And then I'm going to get the $30 one, so I'm going to send a little bit more than $30. I'll just swap this so it shows me US dollars. I'll put in $35 just to make sure. Actually, I'll put in 40 just to make sure of it, okay? And then I'm going to click on Next, okay, and then Confirm, all right? Always double check that you're sending it to the right address too. Before you actually make a transaction. Best practices is actually to send just a little amount, like $5 worth, or something like that, to the wallet first to make sure it gets there. And then once it gets there, then you can send a lot more. Okay, so that's being sent. You can see here it's done. Now if I come to my wallet, you'll see there's actually nothing in here yet. But if I click on refresh, this button right here, you watch what will happen here. So I'll click on refresh. And now you can see I've got $40 worth of of BNB. I've got 0.1674 BNB. Okay, so now I have enough to purchase that package. All right, so I'm going to come back up to the top here. I'm going to click on the menu. I'm going to come down to products. All right, and then now I'm going to select this one, the Member Plus. This is what I'm purchasing, and then I'm going to click on purchase. All right, put in my PIN. Okay, and then click on continue. Okay, and that's done. You can see here to complete this transaction, your wallet must have at least 0.1259, which we know we've got in there, okay, because I've just sent it. So I'm going to click on purchase. Please confirm the transaction in your cryptocurrency wallet. Down this page. There we go. Done. Okay. Done. All right. Now, if we come back here, and then we come back to the menu, and then if we come back to profile, right, click on profile, and then we come to personal. Now you can see the subscription level. Okay, Member Plus. So it's that fast. That's it. That's as quick as it. You can't get much quicker than that. So for new people, it's perfect, because all you got to do is make sure that you come to your wallet. Make sure that you fund your wallet first with the BNB. And then all you do is just go to My Products and purchase the subscription, and you're ready to start getting rewards, start getting fit, and start doing all the things that you can do with this opportunity, and also build your data, because building the data is what's important. Now, look, if you like to share opportunities, this has got an incredible marketing wing side of it. Okay, so direct bonuses are instant, paid in BNB to your wallet instantly. All right, it's an incredible one. So if you're a team leader, or you like to share opportunities with people, you won't get any better than this. It's all smart, contract driven. There's none of this waiting for anything. Everything's instant with the direct bonuses. Instant. All right, within seconds. Okay. In actual fact, just this one here, because I used my own referral code, would have actually gone into my wallet. You can't see it here, but it's actually gone into this wallet here. Or not into that wallet, into my main wallet. All right, because I use my the Better Humans enrollment link. Okay, so like I said, if you want to get started with this, join the Discord channel. Very important to learn more about this project. But if you want to create an account and just get started, you're on mobile, scan one of those QR codes, and that'll take you straight to that page, to the enrollment page, all right? Or if you're on desktop, click on a link in the description. I hope that video has helped. Have yourself a wicked day wherever you are in this world, and I hope to see you in the Discord channel. Kia kaha.